So right now we're just beginning the harvest. We're in our block that has 828 clone of Pinot Noir. It's cold and fresh. You can see the little film coming off my mouth. And now we're pulling off the nets. The nets were used to keep the birds from coming and eating my glorious Pinot Noir grapes. So we're taking it off right now with this tractor. We'll pull them off and then we'll bring in our team of pickers. And so it's going to be a great day.
A load.
So we just picked all the grapes, at least the 828. So that's the first part of my vineyard. And I'm pretty stoked. It's about a ton of grapes. The quality looked fantastic. And I think we're going to make a beautiful wine from that. We still have 2 more parcels to go, which are clones 5 and 6. In any case, now we're going to do some sorting and then they'll go into the bin. So let's check it out. Yeah, great.
Bunch like that, that's good.
That's perfect.
Yeah. And like this.
But like this?
Like this, you know, there's some bits of it that, and this will have higher sugar.
Okay, so that
Yeah.
could be okay.
Yeah. But when you get a bunch, we will take that out. That's
That?
it. But that, we don't want that.
Okay, like that.
Yeah, so that will go back in and then we will de-stem it because really, that's mostly still.
I think that'll be fine. The little ones we
Do you know what I'm saying?
in the
Don't want that to come out at night.